Hello students. Our today's plan is to revise the chapter Motion and Time. This chapter we are going to revise today. What else? If time permits, we are also going to see objective type of questions. So now I am going to switch the screen onto the presentation. हम presentation देखेंगे और डिस्कस करेंगे हमने चैप्टर में क्या क्या सीखा था. ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So today we are going to revise the chapter Motion and Time. So let us continue with the part number 5 of the lesson. So there are some difficult or new words that we have come across. We came across simple pendulum, the meaning of which is a weight hung from a string. I repeat, what is the meaning of simple pendulum? A weight hung from a string. Then the second concept that we came across was time period. ये भी एक नया वर्ड हमने सीखा था. टाइम पीरियड मतलब क्या होता है? टाइम टेकन बाय पेंडुलम फॉर वन टू एंड फ्रो मूवमेंट. मतलब एक पूरे ऑसिलेशन को जितना टाइम लगता है उसे हम टाइम पीरियड कहते हैं. दिस इज एप्लीकेबल टू अदर ऑसिलेशंस ऑल्सो. देन the third concept that we learned, or the third thing that we learned, was quartz. Quartz is a type of crystal which can vibrate very fast, and that vibration is used to measure the time accurately. Then the fourth word was speed. What is speed? Speed is distance moved in a unit time. Okay, so these were the new words that we had learned from this chapter. Now let us revise certain points from the chapter. The first concept or first point which is important from this chapter is measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with some fixed quantity of the same kind. So what is measurement? Measurement is a comparison of unknown quantity with some fixed quantity. Second point, the physical quantities are the quantities such as length, weight, time, temperature, speed, etc. that can be measured. So whichever quantity that can be measured is called as physical quantity. Third point, a standard unit is the one that is uniformly used by everyone. मतलब ऐसा यूनिट जो दुनिया में सभी जगह यूनिफॉर्मली यूज होता है, सभी जगह एक तरीके से यूज होता है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट. इट इज यूज्ड यूनिफॉर्मली एवरीवेयर. Fourth point, the measurement of time requires something that occurs or appears at regular intervals. Okay, so if I want to measure a time using certain device, then that device should oscillate or move or show some regular movements, okay, after regular intervals. Then next point, the time period of a pendulum with a constant length is fixed. So pendulum which has a fixed length, that is going to show you a fixed time period. That is, the period of its oscillation is not going to change. Next point, speed is the distance traveled by a body in unit time. I repeat, what is the speed? Speed is the distance traveled by a body in unit time. एक unit time है, वो unit time it can be 1 second, it can be 1 minute and also 1 hour. Standard unit is second. Next point, a body is said to be uniform motion. I repeat, a body is said to be in uniform motion if it travels in a straight line and covers equal distance in equal interval of time. मतलब एक दिए गए इंटरवल में टाइम के अगर सेम डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल हो रहा है, then it is uniform motion. Otherwise it is non-uniform motion. Okay, if it is not covering equal distance in equal interval of time, if it is covering unequal distance, then it is a non-uniform motion. Next, the graph of distance versus time for uniform motion is a straight line. If you observe it, if you plot a graph of distance versus time of a uniform motion, then it will give you a straight line. Now there is a concept map which has been taken from the textbook itself. So it starts from measurement of what? Physical quantities. Physical quantities can be measured using standard units. Now what are the physical quantities? Different examples of physical quantities. There is length, there is mass, there is time, temperature, speed, etc., etc. Okay, and the standard units of length is meter, of mass it is kilogram, of time it is second, of temperature it is Kelvin. Okay, speed is a derived quantity, so there is a formula for it. Formula क्या है speed का? Distance upon time. And what is the unit of speed? It is meters per second. Speed can be uniform and it can also be non-uniform. Uniform we already know. What is uniform? Uniform means equal distance in equal interval of time. And what is non-uniform? Unequal distance in equal interval of time. So that is a concept map of the chapter motion and time. Now, I'm going to switch back to the pane. Let us see the question. Which of these is not a standard unit? I repeat the question. Which of these is not a standard unit? The options are second, meter, handspan, and the last one is gram. Which of these is not a standard unit? Can you guess the answer? The answer is handspan. Handspan is a correct option. It is not a standard unit. Let us see the next question. The question is, which of the following instruments measure time accurately, most accurately? Okay, so from the given option you have to select a device which shows the time accurately. Let us see the options. Sundial, quartz watch, pendulum clock, watch with balance wheel. Okay, what is the correct option among this? The correct option is quartz watch. The quartz watch is the correct option. It shows the time most accurately among these given options. Let us see the next question. The question is, which of these is closest to uniform motion? I repeat, which of these is closest to uniform motion? Car traveling on busy straight road, car traveling on busy curved road, car traveling on a straight empty road, कार ट्रैवलिंग ऑन अ कर्व्ड एम्प्टी रोड. देखो बिजी स्ट्रेट रहेगा तो though it is straight there will be traffic, so it is not possible to go in uniform motion. If there is busy curved road then it is even more difficult. Straight empty road, this is a most probable option. अगर empty भी है और straight भी है तो uniform motion possible है. So the correct option should be third, car traveling on a straight empty road. Which of these can only measure time interval and not the time of the day? Okay, let us see the options. Sand clock, sundial, pendulum clock, quartz clock. So these are the four options. They have asked which of these is used to measure time interval, not the time of the day. So which is the correct option? The correct option is sand clock. Okay, sand clock is the correct option. Which of this is true? Okay, this is the last question for the day. Distance is equal to speed upon time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Third option is distance is equal to time upon speed. And the last option is none of this. What do you think? What is distance? Now the formula for speed you have to remember. Speed का formula क्या है? Speed is equal to distance upon time. So what would be distance then? If I use my knowledge of algebra, distance will be speed into time. So the correct option is second one. Distance is equal to speed into time. Well, that was the things that we have revised this chapter, and also we have solved some objective questions. What you have to do at home is you write all the new words in your notebook. Okay, and also in your textbook you will mark with pencil, with the help of pencil you will mark the correct options. Okay, there would be more objective type of questions, so that also you can try it out at home. So that was all for today. If you have any doubts you can feel free to ask me any questions anytime. Okay, you can put your comments in comment box or you can also mail me. Okay, you can also mail me or you can put your comments in comment box. So next time we will be starting with the new lesson. Until then, take care. Bye bye.